In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get birthday notifications on Facebook. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Getting birthday notifications on Facebook helps you stay connected and remember important occasions in your friends' lives, fostering stronger relationships. It also provides an opportunity to send well wishes and engage in meaningful interactions, contributing to a more social and interconnected online experience. So, let's dive in without any delay. Open your Facebook app. Tap on your profile picture located on the opposite side. Scroll down slightly, and you will come across Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Once again, tap on Settings to proceed. On the Settings page, scroll down a bit until you reach the Preferences section. Under Preferences, tap on Notifications. Continue scrolling down a bit further until you find Birthdays. Tap on Birthdays to access the relevant settings. Finally, enable the toggle switch associated with it. Toggle on the birthday notification. You can also set whether you want to get notified by email, SMS, or push notifications. There are toggling buttons for each of them, as you can see. After enabling the Birthdays toggle, go back to your Facebook homepage. Test whether you are now receiving button notifications as expected. By following these simple steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the problem of Facebook not showing notifications. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.